Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Piasi or welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about a sale haul again, and I am talking about a brand which is very much Indian and a very pretty looking brand. As the name suggests, this is a Chumbak sale haul, and Chumbak has some really unique products. I've not seen those prints, those designs anywhere, guys. It's so unique. I really like they have a wide variety of home decor, clothing, shoes and a lot of other stuff. So I recently happened to shop online on Chumbak, and there is a great sale which is going on. I'll provide the link below, you can go check them out. So today I will be showing you some of the products which I got, and yeah, let's get the process started. So first thing here is a very pretty looking box. As you can see, I really like the packaging as well. They are very thoughtful when it comes to packaging, very nice packaging. The first thing which I've got is a bowl set. It's going to be a lot of like home decor, kitchen stuff, and yeah, so this is the first one. This is a bowl set. This is a ceramic bowl, and I have got this 4 colors: green, blue, blue, purple and yellow. And I'll show you how the bowls look like and why I got them, because first of all, Chumbak creates this really colorful looking decor which really complements your house. I just don't feel like eating in them, you know. They are so pretty. Look at the design, guys. I mean, this is so pretty. This is a ceramic bowl. You can, you know, use it in microwave. If you ask me personally, I would like to just place it somewhere and, you know, make it a home decor than eating in it, because it's so beautiful. So this is the first one. I'll show you the other colors. It's very so pretty, right? So yeah, these are the 4 set of bowls which I got. These are really pretty looking. Original price of these bowls were $12.98 or something. I got it in offer. I got it in like 1100 or 1000 bucks. So I'm not sure if the price is still, the discount rate is still there, because they keep changing the discount rates. So you go find it out yourself. And yeah, this is the first thing which I got. So next up is this figurine. This is a beautiful looking figurine. I can keep it like anywhere, in living, in kitchen, in bedroom. This will complement any corner of your house, guys. Look at this. This is so pretty. And on sale I got it for rupees, I think I got it for somewhere like 600 or 700. The original price is $14.95 again. This also has a LED light. I still need to figure out where exactly is that, and I need to place some batteries so I can check how it looks. So this is the next product, and this is a beautiful basket, you guys. I'll show you the basket. It's so pretty. Look at that. This is such a cute looking basket. I loved you know, all the variety of you know, I don't know what you call this material as, but they have a lot of stuff like trinkets, like baskets and a lot of other stuff. You can go check out. But yeah, this is a basket. You can keep anything. I just got it because I really like how it looks, and this can be used as a decor or for storage. I can store some makeup brush or something like that. So this is very cute. The original price is $7.95. I got it in like 500 or something. So yeah, good deal and a really cute looking basket. So as I said, they have this variety of these type of you know, decor items or storage items. So this is a trinket tray is what they call it as. So this is a pretty colorful, you know, trinket tray. You can use it to keep like anything you want. I have got this because I wanted to keep my beauty blenders and, you know, my earrings which I use on a daily basis. I'll just leave it like this. So I have got this for my vanity. I'm going to store. This was retailing at rupees $4.95. I think I got it at 200 or something. Yeah. So this is a really colorful one, and it really enhances the look of that particular corner or that drawer or vanity. So this is the next one. Another trinket tray. This is the owl shaped trinket tray, but this is made of ceramic, if I'm not wrong. This one is a tray again. You can use it to keep anything you want. This is a plain tray like this. You can use it like to keep your earrings and your bracelets and, you know, whatever you use daily. So again, this I got it for my vanity as well. I'm going to place it somewhere. I'll do a vanity tour sometime soon. I don't have too many stuffs, to be honest, but I think it's fancy and I want to do it. So if you want to see my vanity, comment down below. And moving on to the next one. So this is a hand knitted top, red color top, and I found it really pretty. You can pair it with anything, you know, you can pair it with your jeans, your trousers, your skirts, and yeah, you can style it in many ways. And I really like hand knitted tops, and this is really good color, so that's the reason I got it. I think it retails for rupees 12.95, but I got it in like 600 or something, so it was completely worth it. So the next product is a bag. This is a really nice Indian kind of a bag which I really like. This is a portly kind of a bag, and I really wanted a portly from a long time. When you wear like Indian kurtas or salwars, I think this will complement really well. And this is a very thick, you know, bag, so you can store a lot of stuff inside. I think it was retailing at rupees 14.95, but I got it in like, I think, thousands. A cute looking bag, and see the detailing, it's really nice. Okay, last but not the least, I got this huge tray. You can see the depth, it's really deep. So this is a tray which I got to keep my you know, hair straighteners, curlers, and all the stuff which are like huge and they cannot be stored anywhere else. I will put it in this basket and place it inside my vanity. This is really handful. I really like the color, I really like the beads, I like how the design is done, and yeah, this is going to be really helpful. So if you're looking for storage boxes like this, I recommend you know, going back to Chumbak. So that was it, guys. If you like, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and also share it with your friends. And till next time, bye bye.